4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the bell so you get all my notifications. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? Today, the wig, I'm going to try to remember to do this. The wig that I'm wearing right now is Sister Wig Bubble. It was originally a braided wig, so I'll try to link her, but that's who she is. Today we're doing a video where I started this new series because I have a lot of videos and a lot of playlists, and I wanted to help weed through that for specific needs and wants in terms of like wig coaching, Wigs 101. So today we're going to be talking about the 8 videos of mine that you should watch to learn how to wear a wig. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around and we'll talk about it. The first video that you should watch, I'll make sure to link all these videos down below, so you can just click in what you want and go through them. The first video I think you should watch of mine is securing a wig. It's a video about how to make sure your wig is secure and it's not going to fly off your head, which would be horrible. The second one is how to put on a wig. These are like not necessarily in order, but how to put on a wig. It is a step-by-step detailed video on how to put on a wig. Number 3 is 5 reasons to wear a wig cap. Some people, if you're new to wigs, you might not know what the wig cap is for, what the different types of wig caps are, and things like that. So that's a great video for that. Number 4 is how to use a lace wig grip. So if you are someone who has very short hair like mine, or if you have alopecia, or if you've gone through any type of treatments, you may not have hair to put the combs in. So a wig grip is something that will really help that. So I have a video on that. Number 5 is how to cut the lace. I know that when you first start cutting lace, it can be really, really scary. So I do give a detailed tutorial on how to do that, and also a tip so that you don't mess it up. Number 6 is one of my quick coaching, which is just a really fast video, and that's putting on a free parting wig. So free parting wig is when you have lace like either like from here to here and here to here, and you can kind of make it however you want, but there are tips and tricks to that, so that's a video on that. Next is another quick coaching video, and it's on how to put on a lace front wig, so you will see all the ins and outs of that. Finally, the last video is how to make your synthetic wig look natural. Those are the videos I think you should check out to learn how to wear a wig. I have many other videos in my Wigs 101 playlist and also my wig tips playlist, so check those out. I recently just did a winter wig coaching series. It was one video for every month in December. I will put that playlist down below. You can check those out. If there's a video you'd like me to make that isn't in one of those, then go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!